What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let me fill you in on what's going on before I even tell you what we're doing today, okay? So, timeline of events. June 28th was my birthday. I tried to bring the race car to Apple Valley Speedway to get some solid seat time in it, reveal my new livery, show everybody the new swap. Then, the exhaust manifold gasket was blown on the race car, so I didn't really get to drive the car very much on my birthday. So, parked it for the day, decided that was going to be the safest move, right? July 4th was Andy's sleigh day. I was supposed to drive Andy's sleigh day, but I didn't feel comfortable after I knew that my exhaust manifold gasket was blown. It was tuned with a blown exhaust manifold gasket, I think, or it blew on the dyno. So I decided not to come to Andy's sleigh day because I didn't really want a V8 like screaming on my door and pushing me when I'm trying to like listen to my car and make sure there's nothing wrong and make sure it's like, you know, just good to go. So I decided to go to Balcony on July 4th instead, just to test my car kind of solo and like really feel it out, get a feel for it, make sure that everything was good. And today's July 5th. I got invited to a very private little event here at Apple Valley Speedway. So since the car ran so freaking fantastic yesterday at Balcony, I decided to bring it back out here for Apple Valley Speedway. I hardly went through any tires yesterday. Oddly enough, it was like 100 degrees and like I hardly went through any tires. So brought the car back out here today. I already unloaded it off the trailer. And we're going to be testing the car today. Adam and Collete are actually on their way here right now too, because they also got invited to this event. So I'm looking forward to a lot of seat time. It's honestly, this is going to be like a vloggy style video. I'm just looking forward to really driving, not really focusing too much on like vlogging and stuff, but I did want to bring you guys along on this. The car performed so well yesterday. I'm excited to just get some serious seat time in this car today, hopefully get some chase practice and just really focus on my driving and stuff. It's going to be good. I'm ready to start driving. Why? last corner. I literally beached my car right now. My tires were like literally so done. I was trying to tell Adam to just let me follow him, cause like then at least if I spun out, he'd just keep going. We're gonna probably get a truck out here. It's not that bad. I didn't hit anything down here, honestly. I didn't even hit anything down here. Everything's fine. I tried to drive myself out and dug a big freaking hole right here. Can you guys see that? I literally beached my car so bad that I almost had to get towed out, but we used the trailer ramps to put underneath my wheels after we jacked it up instead. All right, my arms look okay for the most part. These freaking arms literally go through hell. Inside of my car is disgusting, but first of all, I told Adam to go first. I was like, I'm not gonna be chased right now, I'm not gonna do it. And then he was behind me and I was like, oh, I have to do it. I can't like chicken out right now. I just have to do it. So I literally just like went, and honestly, I thought that he was gonna be able to tell. Got through the first corner. I was like clutch kicking like crazy to get through the hairpin. Second corner, I was like barely on throttle. I was like, my tires are so done. We got to the last corner and I was like, I don't need to do that. I was like, that's a tight corner. I don't need to do it. I don't need to do it. I don't need to do it. And I tried it. I tried it and it didn't work out and I beached my car. And honestly, I don't think that I beached it that bad. We didn't really want to pull the car with the truck because the 350Z, it's just a really weak part of the chassis right there. So we were really trying to avoid pulling it out. None of my stuff is bent. None of my arms are bent. Honestly, these SPL arms have been put through hell. Always dirt dropping. I beat my stuff up. My side skirts are in check. They're fine. I wasn't able to open my door originally because the side skirt was stuck on it, but as soon as I got up on the ramp, it was fine. They literally popped back into place. They literally popped right back into place because they're not like bolted down super well anyway, because you know, drift car. Yeah, these just literally popped right back on. I'm glad I didn't run a front back bumper today, but literally look at how bad these tires are. They're literally so bald. We made it out. The inside of my car is disgusting. Colette again, she defeated her. Quick shout out to Pops for the borrowed wheel here. Alright, I know that I'm fine, but I have to do one more lap before I leave today. It's like literally 4:50 right now, I think. Yeah, it's like 4:56. I'm gonna get one more lap in because I can't end the day on that note, so I'm gonna go really fast. Okay, so that was the most rushed lap I've ever done in my entire life. It was sick, but I forgot that my power steering cooler literally got ripped off. I mean, it lasted pretty much until the last corner, so I'm glad. That was his first ride along ever, so that was pretty sick. But honestly, the day's done anyway. I just literally want to load this car onto the trailer and call it a day. We're literally experts in Tetris. At this point, we got the big canopy in here. I got the little freaking easy up in here. 6 wheels, tools, coolers, jack stands, jack, everything. Literally all we have left to do is put the table in here. I think I'm actually gonna trash these seats because they're pretty bad. And we're just gonna load the car up on the trailer and call it a day. Okay, so we got the car loaded up on the trailer. Everything is good to go. The truck is literally packed. I can't see anything, but today was actually a pretty good day. The car is doing this weird thing where it's like not starting every single time. It's like kind of hesitant sometimes, but I don't really know exactly what it is. We just changed the spark plugs. Like everything should be fine. I was looking at everything. It looks like it's all checking out. Everything's plugged in. So I don't really know what that is, but at least the car is starting. So I'm gonna have to check that out in the garage. Honestly, I think I'm gonna have to take like a little tiny baby break from driving because there are a couple things on the car that I would like to change coming up pretty soon. I really wanna add an oil cooler on my car. I know I need to do an oil change on the car. I wanna redo some of my like couplers and stuff in my tubing because I just literally have so many couplers, it's ridiculous. And I should probably get some spare arms and stuff because I'm literally just tearing everything up, and mount my bumper a little bit better. But if you guys have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Also share this video, please. It helps a lot. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.